Hi guys, I'm Manpreet and in this video we are going to create these head wraps. It takes only 10 minutes to create one head wrap. So let's get started. Here I'm using my tights. You can create 2 head wraps using one tight. Now take the piece and roll it 1 time, 2 times, and then tuck it at the back. Now I am going to put the pins here. Here I am using safety pin to hold the fabric. Now stitch it using thread and needle only on the back side, such that no stitches are visible on the front end. After you are done with stitching, remove the pins and your head wrap is ready. I have also created head wrap with pearls using black tights in similar way.